guys, we're back. Hey guys, we're back here. Today is Bulky Boy, and we are going to be opening a Pokemon Sun and Moon booster pack. The reason why it's not 2 or 3 is because my mum wouldn't let me. Shh. Okay, so let's open it up. So there's a little thing at the back, and if you pull it from the top, it'll open. So the trick is, if any of you want to play Pokemon TCG, there you go. There's a code. If you need to see it, pause the video. Okay, so let's do the 3 from the back trick. I need to get a good one in this. So, ooh, a Rainbow Energy. So, Rainbow Energy. Oh wait, what is that? A Charger bug. That's weird. A Charger bug. Rotom Dex Trainer. Torkoal. I really don't know how to say it. Rowlet. Drowsy, I got one of them. But a different version. Cutiefly. Makuhita. All a reverse. Crab Bomb in a ball. 140 damage. That's actually quite cool. Seen energy last. Hariyama and Leaf Water Energy. Guys, look at it. You can't see the damage. Oh, there you go. 140 and 140 health, and it wants to do 80 damage. And then we've got a Makuhita. So quite cool. 40, 20 and 80 health. Leaf Water Energy. A Cutiefly, which has 10 damage, not really that good, but it's still quite cool. A Drowsy, which has 10 times, 20 and 70. A Rowlet, which has 60 HP, 20 and 10 attack damage. Torkoal, 110 health, 50 damage. Hariyama, guys, have a look at that. Type in the comments how you think to say it. So do a translation in the comments how you think to say it. I'm just going to do Hariyama, 130 health, 130 damage, no attack, 130 damage and 130 attack damage. No, what's it called? I don't know. Okay, Rotom Dex, Trainer. After counting your prize cards, shuffle them into your deck. Then take that many cards from the top of your deck, put them face down as your prize cards. Charger Bug, 90 health. And I don't really know how to say that either, so put in the comments how you think to spell it. No, to say it. And 20 and 50 damage. And if his head, your opponent's active Pokemon is paralysed. And last of all, we've got a Rainbow Energy. Wait, let me just see if it's hollow. No, not hollow. This card provides star and oh cool. Provides a star energy. While in play, the card provides every type of energy, but only provides one energy at a time. When you attach this card from your hand to one of your Pokemon, put 1 damage counter on that Pokemon. So guys, if you want to see more Pokemon booster pack openings, well, just put in the comments. Put in the comments what you want me. So put in the comments what you want me to open. Do you want me to open a huge, big fat box? Do you want me to open like 10 small little packs? Or I don't know. Or like I've run out of ideas what to do in videos. So it's fine for you to say if you want me to do this video or that video. So I'm just showing you them all again. Charjabug. Can you see Charjabug? Looks like a it looks like a bus. It should be what's it called? Coachabug. Lol. This is one Megaton Slappush. They're one of my good ones, and so is Couple Minute Ball and Rainbow Energy. Drowsy. I've got the normal version of that one. Cutiefly. And Makuhita. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!